Yo, say nah. What's up, YouTube? I'm about to start my first YouTube video. I'm about to do this blindfolded slime challenge with my little sister. And I'm just hopping right in. Y'all know how to make slime. Slime been around for a bop, so let's get it. You feel me? Alright. So I'm doing mine by myself.
No, you're not. Hey YouTube, today I'm gonna be showing you the slime challenge. And I'm doing it with my sis. Yup. And subscribe to our channel. I'll put it down in the link in this description. She's talking already, but okay. And let's just get into it. And I'm just gonna tell you the ingredients and yeah. That's all I'm gonna do. Your battery's on 20. It just said that. Yeah.
Alright, where's the cup? Because I'm not trying to spill it. Because you don't got your... Never mind. Where's the...
Wait, you want to color it?
Yeah.
Right here. I got food coloring.
I feel like I put some in, but I feel... Oh, yeah, I did.
You can't look at the colors.
Just put it in. Actually, I'm going to squirt it.
Hey, pick any color. Pick any color. That is way too much, Oz.
I didn't even know, bro. You think I can see talking about something that's way too... Bro, what are you doing?
No, I gotta put it a little bit in here because that's way too much. You're just wasting it now.
I can't see. I feel like this slime is a fail, bro.
Hey, so I'm gonna start. Oh, subscribe to my channel. I'm right here on my GoPro.
Yo, move, son. Bro, this slime ain't come out right. It feel like it didn't come out right.
Yeah, you just gotta keep mixing it. So let's get into the video. Like, she already started.
Bro, I'm gonna have to turn it up. If this slime ain't come out right, I'm
You're not
turning it
doing anything ever again because I'm making slime at school.
Alright, can I take this off since the slime is done?
Yeah.
Can you take it off?
Jaden, you don't have to.
Jaden, pull this off because of my hands. I really still
Yeah, Jaden, you say you want
No, just pull it off. Alright, son. So, the slime came out, right? I don't know. I think I need some more of this stuff. The laundry detergent. I'm in a mess on the floor. So, that was my... Oh, I thought he was throwing that. So, that's my first... This is my first YouTube video, y'all.
So, I'm gonna get started. So,
alright. Push that thingy.
Where's my
But subscribe to my channel,
What
Zeus.